Hi, it's David, and today we're going to be reviewing Armor All Ultra Shine. Today we're going to be testing to see what kind of results you get from Ultra Shine. Is it something that replaces wax? Is it something that you can just use in between waxing? And then we will see what kind of finish we get in the car. So first step, we'll rinse off the car. We'll go through sections top down and wash the car. And then we'll see if it beads water and all that good stuff. So now I'm gonna wash the car, but lucky you, you get to just watch a montage. Well, there you go. I've cleaned the car, and now for the water bottle test. I don't have a water bottle, so I'm just going to use a cup of water, and let's see if it beads off. Now I get to go dry that off. Well, that's it. Wash the car. As you can see, it beads water. Overall, pretty good. I don't think this replaces waxing. You know, it's a wash and wax, but you still should wax your car. I wax my car every couple of months, and then in between I use a product like this. Actually, I accidentally grabbed this one. This wasn't sent to me. I bought it for the review, but I accidentally grabbed this. I actually meant to buy the Meguiar's product, and but the Armor All Ultra Shine does do a pretty good job, and so pretty happy with it. And I did it in full sunlight on a hot day. If you can't tell, I'm sweating. This isn't from washing the car. And it actually did a good job. It didn't leave any spots. I mean, you have to do it quickly if you do that. I don't recommend doing that. I recommend waiting longer, doing it in the shade, all that good stuff like you're supposed to do, but I didn't get any water spots. So thanks very much for watching. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and ring that bell. And just remember, with every subscription, a donation will be made in your name to the Buy a Middle-Aged Man a Porsche 911 Fund. His name's David, and that car will be in my garage. And if you haven't already, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We'll just pretend that thumbs down button doesn't even exist. And yeah, thumbs up, that's all. Make sure to get in the comments and let us know whether or not you've tried Armor All Ultra Shine. And if you have, let us know if you like it. How does it work for you? And as always, thank you for all of my regular viewers and all my subscribers. You guys really do make all this possible and fun. Thanks, I'll see you next time. Hi, it's David, and today we're going to be reviewing this stuff.